Hvordan går det means how are you? Hva heter du means what is your name? Jeg snakker litt norsk means I speak a little Norwegian. Hvor mye koster det means how much does it cost? Takk for hjelpen means thanks for the help. Unnskyld, for toalettet means excuse me, where's the toilet? Ha en fin dag means have a nice day. Jeg forstår ikke means I do not understand. Hva gjør du I helgen means what are you doing this weekend? Kan du hjelpe meg means can you help me? Det går bra means it's going well. Hvor du means where are you? Vi ses senere means see you later. Hva betyr det means what does that mean? Jeg har lyst på en kaffe means I would like a coffee. Hvor kommer du fra means where do you come from? Dette vanskelig means this is difficult. Hva syns du means what do you think? Dette greit means that's okay. Snakkes means talk to you later. Lykke til means good luck. Hva skjer means what's up. Jeg elsker deg means I love you. God dag means good day. Ha en fin helg means have a nice weekend. Hvor mye klokken means what time is it? Jeg vet ikke means welcome. Hvordan staver du det means how do you spell that? Vi ses I morgen means see you tomorrow.